Hey there, I'm Bill Warren, Platform Experience Manager here at Ingram Micro on the Xvantage team. In this video series, you've heard Rob and Chris discuss empowerment and collaboration with Ingram Micro, particularly around your HP business. I'm here to talk about Xvantage. Xvantage is Ingram Micro's digital platform that will change the way you do business. Our goal is to enable you to eliminate friction in your day-to-day business and to get more deeply integrated with Xvantage. Here are 3 things you need to know about Xvantage that will help you with your HP business. We want to improve productivity for you. Xvantage will help save you time and streamline the way you do business with Ingram Micro. We want to reduce the time to market and deliver HP products to you and your customers. Xvantage will help you win more HP opportunities with an intelligent pricing engine that delivers real-time visibility, special pricing, promotions, and any other discounts. This engine streamlines the process of quoting and ordering, providing a simplified experience at a pace that you set. And lastly, connectivity. With EDI and API integrations, let us work together to automate workflows for your organization. For help with HP and Xvantage, contact your dedicated Ingram Micro sales rep or by email at hppsgteam@ingrammicro.com. Let us enable you for HP success with Xvantage.